Before buying a network server rack, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, NavePoint 12U Server Rack. Let's kick things off with the NavePoint 12U Server Rack enclosure. Priced at $182.99, this unit caught my eye because of its sturdy build and user-friendly features. If you want a reliable and secure solution for your networking gear, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This rack is made from high-quality cold-rolled steel, which means it can support up to 110 pounds of equipment without wobbling. The reinforced glass door not only adds a touch of style, but also secures your devices behind a lock, preventing unauthorized access. The integrated cooling fans ensure that your equipment stays cool during heavy use, which is crucial for maintaining performance. Plus, with dimensions of 17.72-inch dx 21.65 wx 24.42 h, it fits comfortably in tighter spaces. With over 1,200 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, people are clearly satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy, the instructions are straightforward enough. It may take an extra 20 minutes, but that's a small price to pay for a solid, functional rack. This is perfect for you if you need a compact, secure option for your networking equipment. Skip this one if you're looking for something larger or more robust. For the price, it really delivers on value. Product number 2, NavePoint 12U Wall Mount Rack. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more space. The NavePoint 12U Wall Mount Rack. Coming in at $345.99. This cabinet is a step up in terms of durability and features. The first thing that stands out is its capacity. This unit can hold up to 130 pounds, which is great for larger setups. With dimensions of 23.5-inch dx 23.5 wx 25 h, you have plenty of room for your gear, whether it's servers or AV equipment. The two built-in fans and flow-through ventilation are designed to keep your equipment cool, which helps prevent overheating during heavy use. It's also user-friendly. The removable side panels make accessing your gear a breeze, and the locking glass door adds an extra layer of security. With around 1,300 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's clear this one has a solid reputation. Now, some users mentioned that it took a little longer to assemble than expected. But honestly, once it's set up, the extra time spent is worth it for the quality and durability you get. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a more extensive network and need space without sacrificing security. Skip this if you're looking for something smaller or less expensive. It's an investment, but you get what you pay for. Product number 3, Vever 12U Open Frame Rack. Now, if the size of the last NavePoint model bothered you, the Vever 12U Open Frame Rack is a fantastic alternative. Priced at just $89.90, it's the most budget-friendly option on my list. What's cool about this rack is its adjustable depth from 23 to 40 inches, allowing you to accommodate various AV and networking equipment easily. It can support a whopping 500 pounds when mounted on the ground, which is impressive. The open frame design makes it easy to access all your devices, which is super handy for maintenance and monitoring. Plus, it comes with wheels, so you can easily move it around your workspace. With a 4.1-star rating from 903 reviews, it's a solid choice for those needing flexibility. Now, some users pointed out that the open design might not be ideal for environments where dust is a concern. But here's the thing. If your setup is in a clean area, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile rack that offers mobility and accessibility. Skip this if you require a more enclosed environment for your equipment. The value for money here is incredible. Product number 4, TechMojo 6U Wall Mount Rack. Next up is the TechMojo 6U Wall Mount Server Cabinet. Coming in at $109.90, this one is all about saving space without sacrificing security. Its compact design measures just 17.7-inch dx 21.7 wx 13.8 h, making it a great fit for smaller spaces like home offices or classrooms. This cabinet can hold up to 110 pounds, allowing you to secure all your critical network equipment. The lockable glass door and side panels help keep everything safe, while the adjustable mounting rails make it easy to set up your devices exactly how you need them. With a fantastic 4.6-star rating from 360 reviews, it's clear that many find it effective. Now, some users have mentioned that the depth may not be sufficient for larger equipment. But honestly, if you're dealing with standard 19-inch IT equipment, this should suit your needs perfectly. This is perfect for you if space is at a premium and you still want security and accessibility. Skip this if you need something that can hold larger devices. For the price, it's hard to beat. Product number 5, GeekPi 8U Network Rack. Finally, we have the GeekPi 8U Network Rack, priced at $119.99. This one is ideal for those looking for a sleek, compact design. Made from aluminum and acrylic, it weighs less, which is great if you move your setup around often. The open design not only allows for easy access, but also helps with cooling, which is crucial for maintaining optimal performance of your devices. It has a standard height of 8U, which gives you a decent amount of space for your networking gear. The translucent design also allows you to see inside, which can help with organization. With a 4.6-star rating from 305 reviews, users appreciate its modern look and functionality. Now, some people have noted that the build quality feels a bit less sturdy compared to steel options. But here's the thing, if you aren't stacking heavy equipment, this lightweight design can actually be a plus. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, space-saving option. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty for larger setups. It's a solid choice for small offices and home environments. So, to wrap it up, we started with the NavePoint 12U server rack for its durability, moved on to the NavePoint 12U wall mount rack for its extra space, then the Vever 12U open frame rack for flexibility, the TechMojo 6U wall mount rack for compactness, and finally the GeekPi 8U network rack for style. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best suits your needs.